Hello traders, this is Rich Derrick from tradesight. Just want to take a moment and go over the scans, see what we have in store for us for tomorrow. It's going to be Wednesday, February 13th. Right now we've got kind of a bifurcated market. We've got some good strength in some of the broad market sectors and pretty good weakness in some of these Nasdaq names. As you can see on the scans here, the Nasdaq names are definitely better for sale. While admittedly it's mostly on lighter volume. For example, BlackBerry had a down day today. We've got a CPS signal to the downside, but it's really only been trading about half the volume that it has been trading. So got some downside indications here, but the volume's fairly light. We did follow through in First Solar to the upside today. FSLR, that's on good volume. We picked that up off of the scans from yesterday. Probably have a little bit of a lower volume day tomorrow. Keep an eye on Broadcom. A lot of these names are flipping around today. You can see we just popped up with a CPS signal, so it's kind of right in that area. So keep an eye on Broadcom for tomorrow. Moving on to the financials. The financials are definitely better to buy. They were very, very strong today. We had a really nice long trade in the FAS ETF today. Had a multiple point winner in that one. We're getting mostly CPS signals to the buy side here, a couple differentials to buy. So we'll have to see how this plays out tomorrow to see if they can follow through. Definitely keep an eye on the names with the better volume in those in that sector. The energy names, no signals here, fairly benign trading, kind of a resting day. BP, British Petroleum, a little bit of a bump up here in volume. The generals definitely look different than the Nasdaq side. Remember, this reflects the broad market. The broad market was better to buy today. Do have a couple of CPS buy signals: Deere, Disney, and Dow Chemical to the upside. Best Buy continuing with good volume. Definitely keep that one on the radar as well. Housing stocks, a couple of names were very, very strong today. Hovnanian is up 10% above the open. Toll Brothers up 4% above the open. DHI also 4% above the open. So definitely keep an eye on the housing stocks again tomorrow. A lot of these stocks are coming off 9 days down, so they could definitely have a couple of days worth of buying power here. They are up a lot today. They may need to rest tomorrow, and then perhaps kick in again later on in the week. But definitely keep the housing names on the radar. And finally, the commodity names, not seeing too much here. A couple buys and a sell, so not really a preponderance of signals and nothing really jumping out as far as volume. That's going to be it for today. We'll do this again tomorrow afternoon, and we will hopefully see you then. Again, this has been Rich Derrick from tradesight, and thanks for listening.